Alright, guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking off this whole entire front end, like the core support, the both fenders, the hood, disconnecting the fuse box, the computer off, all of this, the filter, the water reservoir, the battery, all that. We're going to strip all this down so we can get a better view. The rails are bent. It's also going to be easier for us to work on it instead of with all this stuff in our way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this whole entire front clip, and we're gonna see if we see any more damages or anything like that. You guys can see the frame rails, you can see is bent towards the right. It's not that bad. It's just from the right there, from the very tip. So it's gonna be, I'm hoping it's gonna be easy to bend. This one is just bent a little bit, so it's not. This one's barely bent a little bit, so we're not gonna do. We're gonna worry about this side first, since this side is the one that is bent a little bit more. As y'all can see right here, it crimpled right there from where it bent. This side doesn't have it. See, so right here it bent. So what we're gonna be doing, since we don't have a big frame puller, I'm gonna end up cutting probably right here off, grinding this off, and then just pull this one by one, because if we pull both of them at the same time, it's gonna be hard to pull. So I'm gonna end up cutting right here, cutting that off. We're gonna pull this one and then pull that one, and then I'm gonna end up welding this right back on, or probably get a new one, because I don't know if we're gonna be able to take this crimple off. Probably go to like a junkyard or something and cut a old one off and put it back on there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end up taking up all of this, the fenders, the hood, this fender, the computer, both. I'm gonna see the radiator and that I can like hang it on there or something, so I can at least still move the truck, so we don't have to keep on pushing it. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm gonna get started on right now. Start taking off the whole front clip. Alright, guys, so I took off this fender already right there, the hood. This fender, I'm already pretty much done with it. I just gotta take off, there's 3 bolts in the side of here, but I have to open the door to get to them, and I can't open the door from the inside or the outside. So I'm gonna try to pop this door panel open and see if I can open it to get to the fender. Alright, guys, so my dad just got it open. We were here for a little while trying to get it open, because from the inside of the door it was all messed up. The latches was messed up. This plug that connects to the latch, I don't know if you guys can see the plug, but the wire was ripped right at the very tip of the plug. So that was hard to, I don't even think it works. So we connected it in on lock. So my dad, I don't know how he did it, but I had to take out the seat to take off the door panel from the inside so we can have space, because there was no space at all. It was very tight, but my dad got it open right now. I just got to take off that bolt, and I think there's another one on the bottom, and then this fender will come off. So pretty much done with the front end. I just got this fender left. I have this piece of the core support. The core support is missing a bar from the top that goes all the way over here. And that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to leave these radiators right there so I can at least still move the truck front and back and we don't have to be pushing it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this fender off and then I'm gonna see what is next. Alright guys, so I didn't finish this because I purchased a motorcycle. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. But only thing I have left is this bolt and this the core support comes up. Done with the front end, but I am trying to go pick up the motorcycle right now, so that's why I'm not finishing it. And don't forget to subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, we're still giving the $100 away. Until next time guys, peace.